Today I share with you how I make this egg fish plantain for breakfast. This is just so delicious, and everyone need to try this recipe because it's just what you need. The kids, the hobby, everyone around you is going to appreciate you for this recipe. It's going to go well, especially for breakfast. So guys, to begin, I'm going to be needing plantain. Over here we have plantain. So all we do now is to get rid of the skin like this. You just have to just get rid of it by removing the skin like this. It was just so simple to get done. So after getting that done, all you do now is just to divide all the plantain into two like this. So this is how I'm going to cut everything. Just divide them into two. Then after getting that done, I'm going to transfer everything back inside this bowl like this. So this is me adding that inside the plate. Then next we need is just water to get that rest. So after me risting it, all I do now is to transfer everything back inside a cooking pot. It was just so simple. So over here we have the pot. I'm going to transfer everything back here. The next you need is just to season that with salt, and you are going to take this to get the cook. Don't forget to add the water that will enable that to get cooked. Cover that and let that cook until it's ready. So next we are going to need is fish. Over here we have tilapia fish, and we make use of one. All I do now is to use this knife to cut everything into tiny bites like this. So after cutting that, I transfer everything back inside a bowl like this. Then get that rinsed with water. We're going to rinse it until everything is clean and nice. So guys, have you shared this video? You need to try this for your family. Transfer everything back inside this bowl, and the same time we're going to season that with fish seasoning. Then next we need is just to add the salt to this. Then use your hand to massage this fish until all the spices get inside the fish. Then keep it aside for 30 minutes to rest. Next we need is carrot, onions, hot pepper, the same time tomato and red bell pepper. Then you need just one garlic. All you do now is just get everything sliced like this, and it's ready. Next you are going to be needing is egg. Just bring all the shore. Here you have it. Next you are going to be adding a salt to taste, and then stir everything together. You are going to stir until you have something like this. At this point our plantain don't cook, and it cooks so nice. Look at that. So all I do now is to separate the plantain from the water. So that is very important. Bring everything out, and then you have it like this. It was so yummy and it cooks so nice. Then get rid of the water. On this one you are going to be adding oil. The center you are going to transfer all the fish back inside the oil like this. So that is going to fry until you have this amazing golden brown color. So what you do now is to separate everything out from the oil. The fish fries so nice, and it was just so delicious. I just love this. So keep it aside. The same oil you are going to add in all the vegetable at once. Just pour everything in like this. Then season that with salt to taste. The same time adding this Maggi seasoning. Then I make use of just one cube, and then stir together. It was just so nice, and everything I use here you can easily find it in any available supermarket. Just get this recipe done. The kids, your hobby, everyone around you is going to love to eat this again and again. Cover that for 20 minutes, and 20 minutes later, here you have it. All you do now is to stir together. At this point, it fries so nice. So next is for you to add in the fish. You adding this fish now is going to enable the fish and the sauce to get together before you can add in any other thing. So you are going to add in the fish, stir together, then cover the fish with the sauce to simmer for 20 minutes. This is going to enable everything to come out so nice and delicious. Just 20 minutes later, this is what we have. The fish and the sauce come out amazing. You have to stir that together, and then next for you to add in the egg. So over here we are going to pour everything in like this. So after pouring the egg, you are going to be needing scent leaf. Just add a little bit of it. You don't stir at this point. Just cover that for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, look at that. Oh my god, this is just so perfect. Like, it's just so perfect. I just love this. I was just so amazing with this recipe. You seeing this for eye, this is the same way it tastes. It tastes so perfect. It tastes so nice. I can't even get enough of this sauce. It's sweet, so amazing. So you're just going to stir that a little bit, then go and enjoy this with your amazing plantain like this. Oh my goodness, have you shared this recipe? You need to try this for your family, and you you are going to love it. Everyone that tests this is going to appreciate you. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is just going to go well for breakfast, and you need to get this done for yourself. In my next one, see me now. This is me testing it. I not even remember we are shooting video. I nearly finished all this over here because it's too sweet. That's why you have to share and try this for yourself. You are going to love it more than mine. I love you guys. In my next one, bye.